Very nice that you're all there. So within International Vedanta Society, every day we chant certain prayers, certain hymns. And the first one we will go to chant is the Guru Bandhana. The Guru Bandhana is also like a paying of respect to Guru, which we of course will talk about later in length. And the second prayer is the Vedic Stotram. This is a compilation of parts of the Upanishads, and as you probably, most of you know, the Upanishads are part of the Vedas, actually the Jnana part of the Vedas, and it really is the part where all the knowledge is hidden. And it's the knowledge of self-realization, like John O'Reilly was already talking about, and that's really the essence of Vedanta, to truly learn to know who you are. So this we will sing first. These chants, they have a very high vibration, so it helps you to quieten your mind, to become more still within, and that might help to also, that the thing what you really are, the self, this inner knowledge can reveal itself, can manifest itself. And Shruti Lee, she will do the Arati, and maybe you know, but if not, so she will first use the lights, the 5 lights representing the senses. So we sacrifice our senses to Guru, to the higher idol, and then she will also use incense, which is also the burning of all ignorance, as purifying symbol. Vedic Stotram. Om Asato Masadgamaya Tamaso Jyotirgamaya Mritornam Mritangamaya Aviravirmayate Rudravayate Rakshinamogam Te Namam Parinityam Bhaumyo Brahmanam Tirvati Korvam Yo Vai Vedam Shapranati Tasmai Samadvaksamadhya Prakasham Mokshavayeshamaham Prapatye Om Namo Vedanta Vedya Gurave Buddhi Sakshine Sachidananda Rupaya Nirgunaya Gunatmane Om Bhadram Karnevi Srinandera Bhadram Nasyamasyavirayatra Shrirangai Sastavan Shastranimashema Devaritam Yadayo Om Shanti 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 Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavai Tejashvinavaditamastu Mahavitvishavai Om Shanti 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 Om Apyayantu Mamagrani Vaprachakshuk Srotromato Vamantrayani Sarvani Sarvam Brahmo Parishram Maham Brahmanirakoryam Mahama Brahmanirakoryam Karnamastu Taratmani Virateya Parishastu Namaste Maheshwaratu Te Mai Santo Om Shanti 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 Om Vamme Manashi Pratisthita Mano Mevachi Pratisthitam Kavira Virmaveri Vedashamahaniштava Srutam Meva Brahmashi Anena Ritena Ratram Sangadhame Pritam Varishami Satyam Varishami Tammaham Avatu Tadbhaktaram Avatu Avatu Maham Avatu Bhaktaram Avatu Bhaktaram Om Shanti 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 Om Shano Indra Sham Varunam Shano Bharadvaryama Shano Indra Brihashpati Shano Vishnu Brahma Namo Brahmane Namastevaya Tvameva Prachaksham Brahmasi Tvameva Prachaksham Brahma Varishami Pritam Varishami Satyam Varishami Tammaham Avatu Tadbhaktaram Avatu Avatu Maham Avatu Bhaktaram Om Shanti Shanti, Shanti. Om.